Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to look at artificial intelligence not as a computer program, but as a clinician. When we talk about advanced agentic AI, it sounds complicated, but the truth is, an AI agent solves problems using the exact same loop you use every single day on the ward, the nursing process, or ADPIE. Let's break down this infographic side by side to see how AI logic perfectly mirrors clinical logic. Step 1. Where it all begins. AI Agentic Flow. The environment asterisk explanation. This is the space where the AI lives. It includes a user's prompt and the current situation. Example, someone typing, "Book me a flight to Dubai for tomorrow." The clinical parallel, patient and setting. Explanation. For a nurse, your environment is a clinical ward and the patient in the bed. Example, you walk into the SIME simulation lab or a real hospital room, and your patient looks visibly distressed and is breathing heavily. Step 2. Gathering the data. AI Agentic Flow. Perception multimodal inputs. Explanation. The AI senses the environment by taking in text, audio, or uploaded images. Example. The AI reads the text you typed or processes a photo of a document you uploaded. The clinical parallel. Assessment. A. Explanation. This is where you collect your data using your senses and tools. Example. You look at the patient's pale skin visual, you listen to their chest with a stethoscope and hear crackles, audio, and you read their vital signs on the monitor, text/data. Step 3. Processing the information. AI Agentic Flow. The brain, storage, and decision-making. Explanation. The AI searches its memory banks and uses logic to figure out a plan. Example. The AI remembers your budget from past trips, storage, and figures out which airline to choose, decision-making. The clinical parallel, diagnosis and planning, DP. Explanation. You use your clinical judgment. You pull from your nursing knowledge and formulate a safe plan of care. Example. You recall the pathophysiology of respiratory distress knowledge. You identify the core issue as impaired gas exchange, and you plan to clear the airway and improve oxygenation, clinical reasoning. This is the exact critical thinking required when mapping out a clinical integrated map, CIM. Step 4. Doing the work. AI Agentic Flow. Action, execution, and tools. Explanation. The AI doesn't just talk, it acts. It uses digital tools to make changes in the real world, then reports back. Example. The AI uses a booking system API to actually buy the flight ticket tool, and then types a message saying, "Your flight is booked," text. The clinical parallel. Implementation. Explanation. You execute your nursing plan using clinical tools, and then you document what you did. Example. You step in and adjust the settings on a Puritan Bennett 980 ventilator or administer a bronchodilator, clinical tools. Then, you write down the intervention in the patient's chart, documentation. Step 5. The loop continues. AI Agentic Flow. Back to the environment. Explanation. The AI looks at the new state of the world to see if the user has more requests. The clinical parallel. Evaluation. Explanation. You check if your intervention actually worked. Example. You look at the monitor to see if the patient's oxygen saturation has improved. If it hasn't, you go right back to step 1 and start the assessment all over again. Closing. Mastering AI isn't about learning a completely alien language. It is about realizing that an AI agent assesses, plans, implements, and evaluates just like a skilled nurse. Thank you for watching.